Chun Jie Wai Le. Happy Lunar New Year.
Xin Nian Hao. Happy New Year.
Xin Yang Waya. Bo Si Ba Dai.
Xin Nian Wai Le. Kong Ji Ba Zai.
Chun Jie Khoai La.
I'm pleased to send you my warmest greetings as we begin the Year of the Tiger. The tiger denotes strength, vitality, courage, tenacity, and boldness. These are qualities we need as we face the unprecedented challenges of the day. I thank China and the Chinese people for your commitment to multilateralism and to the United Nations. I count on your continuous support and cooperation to advance our common agenda and to realize our shared hopes for a peaceful and sustainable future.
Please accept my warmest greetings to all the people in China and in other countries who celebrate the Lunar New Year. I wish you a healthy, safe, and prosperous Year of the Tiger.
On the auspicious occasion of the Chinese Lunar New Year, we join your celebrations in welcoming the Year of the Water Tiger and extend our warmest greetings to the friendly people of China for a prosperous new year filled with joy, happiness, and good health.
For the Chinese New Year, I wish the people of China a strong cooperation, all-weather cooperation between us, deeper than the seas and higher than the mountains. I wish them success, I wish them happiness, which is the most important thing. I wish them prosperity. And these wishes are from me and from the people of Pakistan.
I would like to wish all the Chinese people a very, very happy and successful and prosperous new year of the tiger. The tiger stands for courage, for strength, and for success. And this is what I wish to every Chinese people here for this new year.
A very happy Lunar New Year to everybody who is celebrating today, and welcome to the Year of the Tiger.
En tant que maire du 13e, je veux évidemment vous souhaiter le meilleur. Et j'espère que cette année du tigre, cet animal puissant, cet animal de justice, nous ramènera de la pacification, nous fera sortir d'une belle manière de cette crise sanitaire. Et je vous souhaite donc à toutes et à tous la santé, d'abord la prospérité, des bonheurs partagés.